Welcome back to another video here on the ThePirateRagnar MotoVlog channel. It is Wednesday, and that now means only one thing for this channel. Wrenching. For a couple of reasons. Moles is sitting out there in desperate need of a little bit of work so that I can ride regularly again, because this is driving me mental. The forks need to be fixed. As far as I can tell, there's basically no oil left in the forks, at least not the left fork. So I need to drain the oil, and I've been putting it off because every single fitting at the top of the forks on this particular bike are basically stripped. So it's going to be a mission. But in order to even do that, I have to put some forks on the CB750 because I need access to the jack again, and it's basically holding the front of that frame up right now. So I also want to hold myself a little bit more accountable. Come on, Dex, let's go outside. I have to hold myself a little bit more accountable to actually get some of these projects done, or she'll make fun of me. So the CB750 has to come out from there, and then it's the fittings down in here that we have to get into. Yeah. We can now officially call it a rolling frame again. So we'll get Jack under moles and see if we can inspect those forks. So what I need access to is right in here, and well, I guess the top here. Because I've spun these around to change the seating position on the bike, there really isn't access. So I take the handlebars and the console off. Fun. I can't pull the assembly off unless I let the forks come up a little bit, because they top out at that, essentially. We won't worry about that unless I can't seem to get the fittings off, but it's looking more promising now because I can access everything. So we're now going to start bleeding the second fork. I see. And then we use the fork oil and the syringe to fill them back up. So we'll end this here. You guys will have to check in on Sunday to see if I ended up repairing it and got out for a ride. So this is the 750 engine here. And I've been dying to open it up and take a look at it because I haven't seen it since I wrapped it. But maybe next time.